In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a password in Slack step by step so you can secure your account properly in 2026. This is especially important if you signed up using Google, Apple, or a magic link and don't currently have a password set. Adding a password gives you more control over your account security and makes it easier to log in from different devices. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Slack on your desktop or in your browser and make sure you're logged into your workspace. Once you're inside Slack, look at the left-hand side and go to your workspace area, also known as My Space. This is where all your channels and direct messages are listed. Next, move your attention to the bottom left corner of the Slack window. Here, you'll see your profile picture or profile icon. Click on this profile icon to open up your account menu. From the menu that appears, click on Profile. This will open your profile panel, where you can see your display name, status, and other personal details connected to your Slack account. Now, inside the profile panel, look for the three dots icon, usually located near the top of the profile section. Click on these three dots to reveal more options related to your account. In the drop-down menu, click on Account Settings. This will open a new page in your browser, where you can manage important settings related to your Slack account, including security and login options. Once you're on the Account Settings page, scroll down until you find the section labeled Password. This is where Slack allows you to create or update your account password. Click on Password, and Slack will guide you through the process. Here, you can set a new password for your account. Make sure to choose a strong password that includes a mix of uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Follow the on-screen instructions to confirm your password and complete the setup. After you've finished setting your password, your Slack account will now be protected with a password, giving you an extra layer of security and more flexibility when signing in. And that's it. You've successfully added a password to your Slack account. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more Slack tips, productivity tools, and step-by-step software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.